Trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, and tangent ratios. Ratios are usually written as fractions, and the sine, cosine, and tangent ratios are used to find the angle measure in degrees. But first, we are going to look at finding the sine, cosine, and tangent ratios. Sine, abbreviated SIN, of any angle, I'm using the Greek letter theta, it means for any angle, equals the side opposite the angle divided by the side divided by the hypotenuse. So if we're looking for the sine of angle A, we need the side opposite angle A, which is 5, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 15.81. If we are looking for the cosine for angle A, abbreviated COS, we need the side adjacent to angle A divided by the hypotenuse. The side adjacent to angle A is 15. And again, the hypotenuse is 15.81. If we're looking for the tangent of angle A, we need the opposite side of angle A divided by the adjacent side to angle A. Again, the opposite side of angle A is 5, and the adjacent side to angle A is 15. So there are our three ratios. Now remember, these are not degrees. These are just the ratios for sine, cosine, and tangent of any angle. If we want to find the sine, cosine, and tangent for angle B, we will do the same thing. The sine of angle B still equals the opposite side to angle B divided by the hypotenuse. The opposite side to angle B is 15, and the hypotenuse 15.81. Cosine of angle B still is the adjacent side to angle B divided by the hypotenuse. The adjacent side to angle B is 5, divided by the hypotenuse, 15.81. And the tangent of angle B is still the opposite side to angle B divided by the adjacent side to angle B. The opposite side to angle B is still 15, and the adjacent side to angle B, again, is 5. Remember, these are the ratios, not the angle measured in degrees. In the previous example, we found that the sine of angle A had a ratio of 5 over 15.81. If we do that division, we will get a decimal value. 5 divided by 15.81 is 0.3162555 That is the decimal sign value for angle A. Again, that is not the angle in degrees. If we want to find the angle in degrees, we need to hit the second key on our calculator, or shift key, depending on which calculator you have. You'll either have second key or shift key. And then we press the sign key, and then we type in this decimal value, and then we hit the enter key or equals key. And this will convert the decimal value into degrees to find the measure of angle A, which gives us 18.44 degrees rounded off 200ths place. So angle A equals 18.44 degrees. We will do the same with the cosine and the tangent. The cosine in the previous example of angle A was 15 divided by 15.81. Using the cosine, we should get the same value for angle A, because in this particular triangle, angle A can only be one measurement. So the cosine of angle A, if we do the division, 15 divided by 15.81, we get a decimal value of 0.9487666,034. That is the decimal value of the cosine of angle A, not angle A in degrees. So now we are going to hit our second key, or shift key. Then we are going to hit the cosine key, and then we are going to type in this value, 0.9487666,034, and then hit the equals. And again, round it off 200ths. That will give us 18.42 degrees. Now notice there's a slight difference. This one was 18.44, this one's 18.42, but they are basically the same. And in most cases, we would round this off to either a whole number or 2/10ths place. And we should have approximately the same value for the same angle. We will do the same thing for tangent. The tangent value in the previous example for angle A was 5 divided by 15. When we divide 5 divided by 15, we get the decimal value 0.3333333 repeating. If we want to find the angle measure using tangent, we would again hit the second key, then hit the tangent key, and then type in this value and hit equals. And that would give us 18.44 degrees rounded off 200ths. So again, angle A equals 18.44 degrees, or 18.4 or 18. So that's how we use sine, cosine, and tangent to find angle measures. Sometimes you will be asked to find simply the sine, cosine, or tangent of degree measures. We are looking for that long decimal value. Now here we don't have the ratio, the opposite side over the hypotenuse and so on. We have the actual measure of the angle. So for sine of 27 degrees on our calculator, we hit the sine key, and then we type in 27, you do not need the degree symbol, and hit equals. So sine 27 equals 0.4539984997. Read your problem carefully to see if they are asking you to round off to a specific decimal place. Cosine of 3.5 degrees. Hit the cosine key, then type in 3.5 and hit equals. Cosine 3.5 equals 0.9981347,984. The tangent of 47 degrees. Hit the tangent key on your calculator, type in 47 and hit equals. And you get 1.07236,871. Those are the sine, cosine, and tangents of an angle. They are not the degree measure of the angles. They are the decimal values of the ratios of the sides and the hypotenuse